I am super excited to tell you about Nerdy Math Academy. And it is my way of trying to help you guys. I am on TikTok offering you help. And now I'm right here on the internet in your pocket so that you can always have access to the math help that you specifically need. So if you go up here to nerdymathgirl.vipmembervault.com, then you'll find this page and you will hit check it out. And when you hit check it out, then you will see some of the options. I am going to go down because, I'm already a member. And so the first thing you're going to find is a whole bunch of stuff that you can get for free that you might love. ACT formula sheets, SAT formula sheets. I wrote this book called 21 Ways to Improve Your Math Grade in 30 Days or Less. You might want to read that. Get your math back challenges for people who really need some help just getting the basics down. You're going to have to know it all for the SAT and stuff like that. So, you're going to have to learn it sometime. You can go right there to the challenge. But the thing that I really think that you guys are going to be interested in right now is Nerdy Math Academy. So Nerdy Math Academy includes 4 parts. There's Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, and Pre-Calculus. Now, you're a little late for Algebra 1 and Geometry because, honestly, I didn't make it until a few months back, till this year. So Algebra 2 and maybe even Pre-Calculus might be interesting to you. What I have done is I have taken all of the topics that you will have in the year and broken them down into super small bite-sized pieces, like 10-minute videos. My 10-minute video covers probably an hour and a half in your class. I tell you all my tips and tricks, and I also give you all the pitfalls that people have. And you're going to get all these videos right there on demand whenever you want it. So let's look at the course. So you go in here, and currently I have 6 units loaded. There will be 6 more units coming. The first unit includes all of these things, and all you do, you go down to the lessons right here, you click it, and let's say that you are just ready to start. And so you are talking about this topic right here. You have a video that comes up. Right here below the first video in every unit is what I call a work along sheet. So when you click this, so this will help you to work with me while I'm going through the videos in those like 10-minute videos so that you can really get the most out of it. And so there's all of these pages down here, and you can download them and work along with me whenever you are ready to do that, which is a better idea than just watching me do it. But then you have these videos. And so I'm just going to click on this first one. Okay, here we go. Real numbers and their properties. So if I said to you right now, count. So go ahead. Okay, so you can get the gist. This is like a 10-minute video. You see that. You can make it bigger right here. You learn all about this stuff. And then you have a piece of paper, the work along sheet, that will help you along with it. So you get all of these topics. If you don't want to watch one, hey, skip it. If you really need one and you don't understand, slow me down, make the settings like half speed or whatever you need to do. The test review, I have that in every single unit. And so you'll be able to come here and learn it all. So it is time to review for this fabulous unit. And so let's talk a couple of... Yeah, I bet you're thinking this is going to be a fabulous unit. I know. So when you're done with this first unit, you just jump to another unit. And so here are the 6 ones that I have currently uploaded. So say you go to systems of equations. And so again, here's what you're learning. Here are all the videos that you have. There will be a work along sheet as well that you can use. So as if this is not enough. So you get all these videos whenever you want them. You can watch them in the middle of the night. Like you wake up in the middle of the night and say, I really want to do some math. Well, you can right here with me. It will be understandable just like my TikTok videos. It's going to be your favorite thing to do. But as if that's not enough, you also get once a week a group tutoring session. It is live online and you can get the recording. In the event that you can't make it because you have some fun thing to do that's not math, then you go to your fun thing and get the recording from me later. You can even submit questions to me in advance so that I go through those on that Zoom recording. Guys, you're getting so much help and it is dirt cheap. Why am I doing this? Because the pandemic messed us all up. And so nobody can remember how to do math because we basically took a year and a half off. I want to help. So this is a way for you to get the help that you need without spending all of your parents' money. There is a small cost, but the cost is super cheap. It's $60 per month. Normally when kids come to see me, they are charged $60 per hour, and then they only get me for 4 hours a month. You can have me talking to you anytime you want, plus 4 hours per month of the free tutoring stuff, right? So guys, $60 a month is not going to break anybody's bank. I think. There's still TikTok. I will still be helping you out there 1 minute at a time. But guys, you got to admit, this is a pretty great thing. You're going to want to show your mom and dad this video and get the help that you need. I want you to not just catch up. I want you to keep up and level up.